Hi there, class. It's always nice to be here again. Today we're going to start by doing a review about the activities that we did yesterday on Monday in the last video. So we're going to start doing a review about this, and later we are going to start with today's topic. And yesterday we did a review about the daily activities vocabulary. What means daily? Daily means something that you do like constantly, every day, or almost every day. Like, for example, wake up. Of course, you wake up every day. And also, brush your teeth. You should brush your teeth every day, right? You should take a shower every day. You should have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner every day, okay? Are things that you do commonly, okay? So this was the vocabulary, like wake up, have breakfast, go home, do your homework, have dinner, watch TV, go to bed. Now, and we did activities on students' book pages 77 and 78. And we didn't do the project because today we need to hurry up and we need to go faster with the activities. So if you didn't send these pages, the picture of your activities, please send them to me. And that's it. So today we're going to start by doing a review about the hours in the day. And remember that it's super simple. You just need to remember numbers from 1 to 12. And you need to add 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, etc. But it's super important that you know how to write this. If you want to copy 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock on your notebook, you should do it. So let's check. O'clock, it's spelled like this. O, apostrophe. This rayita is called apostrophe. C, L, O, C, K. Very good, excellent job. Now, let's check, and I'm going to say, as always, the vocabulary, and you should be repeating with me this. So we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, also 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. Okay, very good. So that was it. How do we use these times in the day in a sentence also using the vocabulary? What vocabulary? This vocabulary, okay? So it's super simple. You just need to start, as always, your sentence with the personal pronoun or your subject. A personal pronoun, let's remember, it's I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, okay? So for example, I chose I, we, I, and she. And next to it, you are going to add the vocabulary. Have breakfast, have dinner, brush my teeth, watch TV, okay? So then you are going to add the word at, that means alas, and the time, 9 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 1 o'clock, etc., okay? And these are my examples. I have breakfast at 9 o'clock, okay? So you have the subject, the vocabulary, at, and the time. We have dinner at 10 o'clock. I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock. She watches TV at 5 o'clock. So most of the times when you have a third person, what is a third person, teacher? A third person is he, she, or it. You are going to add an S at the end. In this case, we're going to add ES. Okay, so and later we're going to check this because today we have a lot to do, so don't worry about it. Most of the times when you use a third person, he, she, it, you are going to add an S at the end of your verb. In this case, you are going to add watches, ES, okay? So I was telling you, don't worry about this, because in the next classes I'm going to be explaining this a little bit with more detail. So I think we are ready to start with today's activities, but don't forget that this is the main formula to make a sentence using the vocabulary and also using the times in the day. So for example, we are going to go to 3 pages that I have prepared for today, and today we're going to start using the workbook, okay? So kids, it seems like a lot, but it is not. Please, we should hurry up with the topics. We have a lot to do because the exam is coming, is nearer than you think. So let's start with page 54. And we have 2 activities in there. These are just listening, and you just need to draw, and that's it. So activity 1 says listen and check, then write. Okay, so this is a listening, and I'm going to play it, and you are going to check the clock. I need to see my workbook in here, and you're going to check if the listening is saying this time or this time, and you're going to check if it's this one, or if it's this one, you're going to check in here. When you check this, you are going to write the hour in here. It's 5 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, okay, depending on what you hear, okay? So I'm going to play the audio, but if you want or you need to listen to it again, then I think that you are going to, you can go back to this part and play it again, the audio, so I won't make this video longer.
Workbook, page 54, activity 1, then write. 1.
Number 1.
6 o'clock.
Okay,
2.
6 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
3.
3.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
4.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. And that's it, kids. It wasn't that difficult. Remember that you just need to check this one or this one. And also write the hour. It's 5 o'clock. You are going to write what you heard. So activity 2 says read, draw, and say. So it says 1 o'clock. Okay, very good. So 1 o'clock, you are going to draw the hands of the clock. Vamos a dibujar para que el reloj diga que son las 1 o'clock, okay? And in the next clock, you are going to draw 10 o'clock. Y en el siguiente vamos a hacer lo mismo, pero con 10 o'clock. That's it. So in the next page 55, we have also a listening that is what time is it? And it's the song from the unit. We've already listened to this song in the student's book. And the instruction activity 3 says listen and sing. Look at the pictures, then number in order. Okay, so what time is it? So, and we're going to be listening to this, and we have get up in blue. Puedes checar que está en la canción en diferente color. Get up, start school, go out, and go to bed. This is the vocabulary that you have in next to the song in pictures, and you're going to write in the order where you hear them. Lo vamos a escribir 1, 2, 3, 4 in the order, okay? En el correcto orden en el que lo vayamos escuchando. So let's listen to the audio. If you need to listen to it again, you are free to
Workbook,
go back.
Page 55, activity 3, listen and sing. Look at the pictures, then number in order.
Okay.
What time is it? Song.
Tick tock. It's 7 o'clock. Time to get up and get dressed. I want to stay in bed, but it's time to brush my teeth. Tick tock. It's 8 o'clock. At 9 o'clock I start school. I eat my breakfast and get my books. I love school. It's cool.
Okay, activity 4 says, look at 3, the previous exercise. Right. I get up at, and you are going to write the hour, okay? So you should find in the song, it says the time where she does this, or he, it's a boy or a girl. I don't know. Because in the picture we have boys, girls, and I don't know. So I get up at, and you're going to write, oh, it's 7 o'clock, time to get up. So I get up at 7 o'clock. I start school at, and you are going to find in the song, I start school at, and that's the same that you are going to do with number 3, I go out at, number 4, I go to bed at, and that's it, okay? So activity 5, read, then write in order. It says Max's day. Okay, so if you don't remember, Max is the cat, and yes, so Max, and this is the same story, but it's like a little bit shorter, and this girl is talking to her mom about Max's day. So, and you're going to write in here, in the correct order, you should look at the clock. Max comes home, Max eats, Max gets up, Max goes out, Max sleeps again. So you're going to write in the correct order. Here you have it in the story. You have the vocabulary in the box, pero lo vamos a escribir aquí del 1 to 5 in the order when he does these activities. Vamos a escribirlo en el orden en el que Max hace o realiza esas actividades. Okay, so think big activity. How many hours do I sleep? I go to bed at, in the evening, en la tarde noche, and I get up at, in the morning. Okay, vamos a escribir what time do you go to bed and what time do you get up in the morning. So now, if I sleep from 8 o'clock in the evening and I sleep at 8 o'clock in the morning, what or how many hours did I sleep? And this is what you are going to do. And that's it, kids. And that's it for today. And I hope that you send the pictures of today's activities to me by the platform. Write your name always and also the day. It's super important. And that's it. If you have any questions about anything in the topics, in the activities, please tell me and I help you as I always like to. That's it, and I'll see you the next time tomorrow. Goodbye.